Hey guys, today we have got quite a large number of prints to do, and what we're going to be doing is printing with our UV printer and then applying to these 3mm white ABS boards. But before we can do that, we need to go and check our designs and make sure they're all the right size according to our ABS. So let's do it. Okay, so we're here at the computer, and I have to say all of these designs that are up here on the computer were given to me. The only thing that they asked me to do here was go ahead and add in their logo, which is going to be in the bottom corner over here, and then in each four corner I had to add, for most of them, a black dot so we know where to drill a hole in each four corners. So we've got sign number 1, number 2, number 3, and those are made out of an A3, and then the last two are going to be an A4, but these will not have any holes. Okay, so now that the design is all done, it's pretty much straightforward. All we need to do is go and print it. The reason why I've chosen to use a UV printer is because the customer has let me know that their item that we are making today is going to be in full sunlight for most of the day for at least 9 months. So I wanted to guarantee him a very good ink for the lifespan of that board. So we're going to go with UV over Eco. Okay, so once your vinyl is printed, we're going to take it off the printer, we're going to lay it flat on our table, and we're going to cut all the white off and only leave our red border. And that red border is going to make it a hell of a lot easier for us to make sure that when we laminate our vinyl and apply it to the board, we can see if it's going to be a little bit skew, and lining it up perfectly with a border always helps, so try and keep that in mind. Then we're going to head over to our laminator. And you always want to make sure, if you are laminating a small piece like this, you want to laminate towards the middle of your laminator so that your laminating roll isn't offset and it's not at an angle, so that when you actually laminate it onto the board, you have no bubbles involved and it's a smooth, quick process. Now that we've gone ahead and applied our vinyl to the board and we have no bubbles whatsoever, and you see the black dots that we had on 3 of our artworks, we need to go ahead and drill press those holes so that the customer then can cable tie it to a fence or a gate of some kind. The A4 ones are going to be stuck to a wall, so no holes are required for those ones. Notice when you are going to be using a drill through ABS, you want to try and make sure that it's on its highest speed, and you need to have it a quick in and out. The longer you take when you're using a drill press or drilling through ABS or even Perspex, the longer you take, the more force you add, you end up getting small hairline cracks. You can also melt the ABS, as well as you rip up the vinyl wherever the drill is going through. So make sure you do it in one swift motion without applying too much pressure, and have it on as high a speed as possible. Otherwise you will have cracks and you'll end up melting your plastic, which is a big no-no. So guys, we went from a basic plain white ABS board to something that tells you exactly what this sign is meant for. And once we put our holes in, you can now attach it to almost anything, and I think we've done the job exactly how it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching.
2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.